Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and of course today we are here checking out an awesome widget that I have been using now for a few days and that I think you guys would really like if you guys like using YouTube a lot. And this widget is called Widget Tube. You get it? You know, YouTube, Widget Tube. So let's check it out. So WidgetTube is an awesome app or widget app that allows you to create widgets out of YouTube content. So there's a ton to choose from here from WidgetTube. So there are three sizes on the app that you can use. So there's the small version, the medium version, and of course the large version as well. So how do you go about creating a widget on WidgetTube? So it's very simple when you open the app, of course. So you just click this plus sign right there. And then from there, you get to choose which type of widget you want to make first. So there's a few versions here that you can choose from. So you can make a trending singular one. And then of course you can change the size depending on which one you want. And what I like about it before you even select this widget is the preview area where you can preview how it's going to look as well. And then the trending multiple, which is only two sizes for this one. So large or medium here. And then of course the new video, so depending on if you want to show your new video or maybe a new video of the latest subscriber that you want to that you're currently following, then you can see the latest video as well right there and see how it will look of course in different views as well before you add it to your home screen. And then of course the last one is the default subscriber count one, which you know we've all come to love. So if you're a YouTuber and everything and you want to see your own subscriber count, then you could go and add that as well. So after you find the one that you really like, you get to just, you know, click it, customize the widget, and then it will be right here ready for you to add to your home screen. And of course, just like every other, you know, widget that you add to your iPhone, you pretty much just have to launch wiggle mode. And then with wiggle mode, of course, you just tap the plus sign right there to add the widget on WidgetTube. So here I want to show you guys some new cool different styles of the widget that I have currently made out of WidgetTube, of course here. So one of them is of course the top trending one here where you get to see of course the latest trending videos of course on YouTube. Here is the latest video from MKBHD. So if I click it, it will take me to start the video if I want to play it or not. So it will load up and there we go. And I could play it from the video. I don't have it set up to open up the YouTube app, which you can actually do within the WidgetTube app. So if you click on the video, it will automatically open up the YouTube app so you can watch it on the main YouTube app as well. And then of course there's our more. So there's the small size here, which looks amazing. The top trending one here that I customized it as well. So like I said, there's a lot of customization that you could do. So like let's see here, the top trending squirrel one, you can actually edit the widget right there and change the stuff. So if you want to just depend on what you want to see, what type of category, then you can quickly just go here to change it. So if you want to only see science and technology, then it will only show you science and technology stuff. So like the pet and animal one, since this was an awesome video, Squirrel Maze 2.0. If you haven't checked it out, I highly recommend check it out. It was awesome. And then of course here you would see the titles here. On and off there, and statistics. So if you want to see depending on what type of content you want to see, so here it will show you of course the content creator, the views and how much likes and all that stuff it got as well. Or you could just you can also change it here as well to, you know, the channel name, let's say, as you can see, time posted, you could comment count as well. So you could quickly just customize it to whatever you want to see and what you want it to look like as well. So that's very cool. Or you could just change the content to show only the statistics quickly and see how much comments it got, how many views it got, the channel likes and dislikes. So yeah, it's very cool. And then after that, you could just customize even all of the widgets here. So like this one as well, edit widget. And then here you could change it. So if you want, you could change to the top trending one by default one, or you could just change it to have it to a select category that you have. But for this one, I just left it like this because I wanted one to show what the algorithm is showing on the YouTube YouTube.com as well. So yeah, I just left it like that one. And so yeah, it's just very cool, and there's a lot of cool designs they could choose from, like you saw right there. But also different styles of what type of content, what type of YouTube content that you want to see on your home screen, which is always really cool to do. That all the customization that you could do, and not only does it look good in light mode, it also looks really good in dark mode. So as you can see, it looks really awesome in dark mode. I just like it. The developer has been doing an awesome job ever since he released this app. So yeah, I just changed it to light mode just because it matches with the YouTube color, the red and white style that they're going for. And so yeah, it's just an awesome widget that, you know, if you're a YouTuber, then this is an app for you, because as you can see right there in the top right corner, you get to see how much subscribers I have right now on the channel. So if you want to follow how many subscribers you have, then you can quickly see right there how many subscribers you have on your YouTube channel. Or you just want to see the latest video that you follow, maybe from your favorite YouTuber, then you could quickly just see as well your favorite subscriber as well, and do some customization as well. So here I could just change the channel, and maybe my channel, I want to see the latest video on my channel. So as you can see, it shows it right there. So, and that's it. And then you can have your to see if it's working and everything as well. And so yeah, it's just a fast reload time right there, and it just looks really awesome. Like the designer just made an awesome design choices, everything when it came to the widgets as well. So it just all works really nice and good. So if you're a big YouTube person and watches a lot of YouTube on their phone, or just like you're looking at stats and everything in the YouTube world, then this widget app is for you, because it has a ton of information and a ton of customization that you could do as well within the app. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you guys did enjoy this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because that does help the channel grow. Like the video to get the algorithm to, you know, show my video more out there in the YouTube universe. And that's pretty much it. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.